even the car is stronger itself. Yo, barely half of this car survived, by the way. I'm playing this goofy game. The game is called Fast and Furious. Damn! Look at me. See how strong am I, though? How strong am I? I'm strong. Ooh, yes, mine, bro. The cars are free anyway, so it won't matter. I need it, man. Let's go. Yo. Is this a fiber? Isn't this a type of fiber? This is not fiber, right? Is it? Let's see how tested my strong car is. Oh, poor car, bro. You just went into it. Yo, what are car is this? I got auto roll. Hey, come at me. Oh, games. Look at the goofy car. Oh, yo! The car itself, that's okay. Oh. Yeah, this is not making it, bro. Oh, you kind of helped me. Wait, why? Bro, it's the back? Freaking kidding? Oh yeah, oh, what the freak happened to the front? Is nobody gonna ask that thing? Bro, why did I run like that? Yo, whose car did that, gang? I know a good car to use. And it's not these types. It's the one in the front. Freaking nature. Somebody call the ambulance. I'm homeless. How do you even start this car? Thank you, bro. I'm homeless. Yo. I think this one's too long. Yeah, I think this one's too long. Can it even work? Yeah, that's not working today. Oh, bro, you broke my windshield. Oh, my. Yo, is nobody gonna ask about that? Yeah, this car is done for that. Who the freak? Got a bus in the middle. She's not gonna make it. Oh, what the freak happened to it, bro? It looked like it got bent. Why does it look like it got bent? No, bro. Yes. No. No. No, the rest. Who the fuck did that? That's not making it. I just know. This is hard to live. Oh my, bro. This game is so fun. Remember. Let's put my phone to the game. Yo, I got so lucky. I got extremely lucky. I wouldn't need to say the car is kind of mid-good. I'd say it's good. Yeah, this is good. You can try anything. Oh, geez, something heavy. Yo, don't. You're like, look this car, bro. It's so tough. His brother with him. Yo, what the frick is that car, gang? What is that Timu type of car, bro? Yo, this is good, bro. Yo, bro, it's so tough. Yeah? Yeah, by flipping it, I can use the edging it. The back one. What the car do? See how much damage I Yo, duck, bro. Look out, look at his car. He's so hard. What happened? The first game, nothing will happen. Yo, it was combo. Why is it getting combo? Combo. I need my car back. This is in perfect condition. But except the back, bro. What the frick is happening in the back? Yeah, this is the getting a taxi. That's getting the money. Oh, it's good. Holy perfect condition. Bugatti did. Bugatti did the whole time. I got ragdoll again. I think it's good for not driving. Oh my god. Nah, if y'all even know what's this from. How am I allowed to drive a car, bro? How am I allowed to drive a car? What? How can I drive a car? This is hilarious. Yo, even that thing is stuck. Yeah, I'm so... Bro, I'm gonna run I got this one. I can't stop laughing. Bro, what the fuck happened to that one? Let's do this.